Well, good morning everybody. It's Wednesday morning. About 6:45 in the morning. So I've got my coffee, had a good night's rest, ready to head off to Adelaide. So the very first thing we do in the morning is we do a service check on our vehicles. We check the tyres, I've already done that. Go around, check the straps, make sure that there's no damage to the to our clients' boats. Make sure everything's okay because we're going across the A Plain today. It's the road exactly not a good road, but then what roads are good in Australia at the present point of time. So yeah, just go through, make sure all the straps are all strapped here. Alright, just give it a quick nudge. Tighten it back up. I'll just go and check the other one. I'll go around and do that. Come back and do that. Generally, if we do this properly, we should never have to adjust them. So I just come around here. So everything seems to be in order. Like I said, I've checked the tyres, ready to go across to Adelaide. Only one click, but that's good. Alright, so everything's good. We'll sign on my logbook, get underway, and our next stop will be at Wagga Wagga, because there's some interesting facts, interesting sight there at Wagga Wagga. So tune in then.